We were born in Seoul, the capital of South Korea. In social studies class, my teacher once said, Seoul is one of the fastest growing cities in the world. Just 50 years ago, this place was farmland. When I heard that, I was shocked. I had never imagined that beneath the asphalt I walk on every day, there was once flowing water and living soil. In the past, Koreans did not resist nature. Nature was a way of life, something we breathed with. We always moved with the changing seasons and gave names to mountains and rivers, sharing stories with them. The Hanok is a home built upon this deep view of nature. The wind flows across the wooden floor. Sunlight follows the line of the eaves. When you open the window, you hear birdsong, and the flow of nature connects each room. A hanok is a home, yes, but it is also a small form of nature itself. But the city I live in is different. Tall buildings stand close together, and children play on concrete playgrounds. There are trees, but you can't touch them. There's soil, but you can't step on it. Nature is arranged to look pretty, but it no longer breathes with us. Then one day, we all had a turning point. The first time we visited a hanok, we felt the quiet breeze, the scent of wood, and we realized the space around me was breathing. In that moment, we began to think differently about nature. Since then, we've picked up small practices. We pick up litter at the park near our homes. We sit quietly and look up at the sky. The wind, the scent of grass, and birdsong was starting to come back at us. We were reconnecting with nature. Nature was never far away. We had simply forgotten. If we walk barefoot on the earth, feel the breeze, and open our hearts, we can always find our way back.